So how many cups of chocolate chip cookies are in 4 ounces? And the first thing you need to know is one bag of chocolate chips is typically 12 ounces, like Nestlé Toll House here. And that's going to give you about 2 cups. So if we cut this in half here, 1 cup, that's about 6 ounces. Now, we could scale that down because if we divided that by 3, 1/3 cup, that equals just about 2 ounces. And you can see what's going to happen here. To get 4 ounces, we would need 2 of these. So 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3 of a cup. So in answer to our question, chocolate chip cookies, 4 ounces is 2/3 of a cup. And it's not perfect because chips from different brands, they pack differently. They're slightly different size. So this is just an estimate. If you want to get it really exact, you need to use like a kitchen scale to measure that out. That's the way to go. And hey, quick tip, if you want chewier chocolate chip cookies, use bread flour. It has more protein, so you get a better chew. At least that's the way I like them. Thanks for watching.